Hey guys, 1999 Jeep Cherokee Sport. 56,454 miles on this thing. And it's 23 years of age. A few chips, a front bumper. Nothing you wouldn't expect, of course. A couple light surface scratches there on the hood. No dents or dings. Beautiful shape. A couple of chips here and there. All the original wheels are in decent shape, especially for the year. And it's got about 60% tread life left on it. A couple chips on the rear bumper as well. Tailgate itself is in great shape. Factory roof rack. Again, on the driver's side, there's not a dent or a ding. Factory running boards. Let's take a look at the interior. Interior-wise, this thing is amazing. It's almost like a time machine for being a 23-year-old vehicle. There's no stains. There's no rips or tears. Back seat looks practically new, like no one ever sat in it. Right back here, the cargo area, spare tire, cover. Cargo area carpets look great, no stains, rips. 23 years old, it's an amazing vehicle. Hey guys, let's do a start on this 23-year-old Jeep with 56,454 miles. No lights on the dash. Just turn on the air. Ice cold. Got an AM/FM CD, aftermarket of course. Center console's in great shape. Remote control for the aftermarket radio. Let's go ahead and engage this four-wheel drive into neutral. That's a part time, as it shows there. Full time, as it shows there. Then you go all the way back down into four-wheel low, which again is a part-time, so it's there. Feel all four wheels engage and she's rolling. Then back into neutral and back into two-wheel drive.